Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got another new release from WIXCO. Now, a little bit different than the ones I've showed you previously, where they had just come out. This one drops on Monday, the 24th, which just happens to be National Knife Day. Very cool. It's a great day to drop a new knife. Now, the Ragnar model has been around for a while, but this version is definitely brand new. Now, they've got some National Knife Day specials that we'll talk about here in a little bit. But what does this version of the Ragnar give us? Well, same design, only now we've got this red shred carbon fiber, but it's got some like yellow gold in it too, and it's UV reactive. Now, I am actually doing this one in the daylight, so I will turn off the lights and let's see how reactive it is. So it's got some sparkle and some flow to it. Now, it's not, I wouldn't call that hugely UV reactive, but there's some in it, and it would actually come up probably better at night. Maybe I should do it short or something on it. Maybe I will do that tonight or something. But, you know, time is what time is. So it is UV reactive a bit in the daylight. We'll have to see what it looks like at night. But what else does the Ragnar give us? Well, it's got it. Now, the detent is a little on the lighter side. I didn't fail it. There I did. So, detent's a little light on this one. Okay, I'm not super shaking it out or anything like that. So, you would take some... Ooh, does snap out there on the reverse flick. You would take some serious... You'd have to really do the... Okay, that's not working either. So, it doesn't really feel like it's going to slip out. But on deployment, it does feel like it's a little bit on the lighter side. Like I said, snaps out there really well on the reverse flick. So, very, I like the overall design of the Ragnar. Now, it's not that super drop point, but it's a kind of a sloping drop point on this one. Reversible clip, lanyard hole, very nice, open construction, steel liners, and centering is on point. Absolutely on point. So, spec check. Reminder of what the Ragnar gives us. It's pretty much an 8-inch knife. We're looking at just over 4.5 inches on the handle. Blade is going to come in at just under 3.5, obviously. Pretty much that full cutting edge. You do have a sharpening choil going on there. And then your grip length is coming in pretty much right about 4 inches. So I definitely have some room left over in my grip for sure. Size comparisons off the bat. We've got the bug out, so it's definitely bigger than the bug out. And should be pretty close to the PM2. Whew, okay. PM2 ekes it out on the blade length. Handle lengths are pretty well the same, but yeah, we've got just a hair. Far more cutting edge on the Ragnar for sure. And pocketable. Definitely pocketable. Very nice. In the pocket. About as it sits, there again, we've got about 1.5 fingers of clearance to the bottom of the pocket. And a weight. Yeah, starting gram, sure. 106. Should be just over 3.5. Well, yeah, 3.7. Right there. Very good. So, I like the overall design. I do really like this carbon fiber upgrade. 14C28N on the blade steel. You do have some jimping up here that holds my thumb pretty darn well. I'm digging it. Slips a little bit, but overall, not too bad. Does kind of grip it up a little bit. Now, this new version of the Ragnar is coming in at right at $99. So, now I did say that they have a bit of a National Knife Day special going on. So, actually it's going on all weekend, starts today, and it goes till the 25th, so it goes to the day after National Knife Day. But, and you guys know Faramonster and WIXCO are same umbrella. So at WIXCO, you get $25 off if you spend $100 or more, $40 for $150 or more, $80 off for $250, and $130 if you spend $350 or more. So why am I telling you this? Well, yes, you can definitely save yourself some money, you know, in celebration of National Knife Day. But WIXCO, I do have a code for WIXCO, BigRed10, that will save you an extra 10% off of what you can already save. Yes, they are stackable. Now, if you're shopping on Faramonster knives, a little bit more premium-ish, if you will. So for Faramonster, during this National Knife Day special, you can save $50 off of 200 plus, 120, 400 plus, 180, 600 plus, or 260 on 800 plus. Now, I know that's kind of gets up there, but there again, you can stack that code, BigRed10. So give it a shot. Like I said, the National Knife Day special runs from today, the 22nd, to the 25th in celebration of National Knife Day on the 24th. So, and remember, this guy, the new version of the Ragnar, drops on National Knife Day itself on Monday. So, feel free to go check them out. There'll be links down below. Of course, they still have the original versions of the Ragnar available on the website. But if you go today, this guy doesn't drop until Monday. So, and like I said, I might have to do a video, just to do a quick video on how reactive it is in the dark. That might be kind of interesting. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic Saturday so far. Don't forget, Saturday Knife Live tonight, right here on BigRedEDC, 10 p.m. Pacific Time. Hope to see you there. Until then, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. Excuse me. You know I love talking to you. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.